Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library Children's Room, and this is our Wonder Garden Club. We miss you guys so much, and so we're happy that we can offer this to you so you can do this, and especially at this time of year where we're not out in the garden. This month in February we're featuring a seed packet bouquet, and this is what it should look like when it's finished. So I'm just going to go over what you get with your packet and how to put this together. So it'll come in a little bag like this, and in this bag is everything that you need. It has your seed packets, it has some foam, it has some moss, it has your skewers, and then you'll either get a little red cup pot or this terracotta one. Either one works just fine. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the foam into the pot. Now, you can cut this, but you really want a nice snug fit. So just kind of give a gentle push, maybe a little bit more than gentle, and get it all the way down in there. Now this is kind of sticking up a little bit, and a little bit is fine, but you don't want a lot because then it's going to really show. So if you wanted to, you could take a knife or something and just kind of trim the edge. Now make sure if you're using a knife that you have a parent or caregiver helping you with it. The next thing that you want to do is you're going to have a bunch of these skewers like this. And if they're all the same size, then you won't be able to see your seed packets. So you want to kind of either cut them or break them to different sizes so that you can see them more clearly. So I want to leave the pointy end so it will stick in the foam easily. So on the other end, I might just break off just a little bit, just like this. Again, be very careful. Make sure you have an adult with you so you don't get hurt. Now, seeds are wonderful things, especially this time of year, because it really is cold and it's not good to, there's not a lot of things that you can grow outside. There's lots of things to look at outside, but not necessarily to grow. But one thing that you can get with these seed packets, which are not very expensive, you can buy them just about anywhere, is lots of information about what you're growing. It tells you what you're growing, it tells you how deep to plant them, it tells you whether it likes sun, and then it tells you how long it takes for it to grow to where it's a beautiful flower or a delicious vegetable or a fruit. And it tells you when to start it, whether to start it outside or inside, all kinds of great information. And when you get your packet, you're going to get a packet like this, and it's going to have directions on how to make this, and it's also going to talk about the seed packet. So it's lots of great information. The other thing I want to make sure you know is come to the library, because we have lots of fun books about seeds and gardening projects. Anyways, to go back to our craft, the thing that you're going to do next, once you've got your sticks at different levels, is you're going to attach the seed packet to the stick. And the way that you're going to do that is you're going to put this with the pretty color face down, and then you're going to take your stick and you're going to tape it. Now, I like to tape it more than once just to make sure that it's in there really good. So you tape it a couple of places like this. And then I just kind of look at this and say, maybe I want this one right front and center. And I just push it down and just like that. And then I would take another one and I would, again, face down and tape it a couple of times to make sure that it's on there nice and good. And then so maybe I want this one to the side but a little bit higher. Push it down in there. And I would continue doing that until I have all of my seed packets arranged like this. And then, because we don't want this foam to show, there's moss included. You can use as little or as much as you want. And if you're concerned about it, you can put a little bit of glue on the top here to kind of help keep it in place. But really, that's not necessary unless you want to. And you just kind of drape the moss around the foam, kind of covering it up so that no one can see your clever little thing that holds them all in place. And then once you're done, it looks just like this or pretty close to this, and you can give it to someone special or you can keep it for yourself. And the great thing about this is okay, so while it's cold and we can't go outside, we can have this to look at. But then when it gets a little bit warmer, if you follow the directions on your seed packets, then you could take these out and you can undo the seed packets and you can actually plant these and see what you can grow. So good luck with that. And you could reuse the pot even to pot them in if once you get it growing. So that's lots of fun too. So we sure miss you. Hope to see you soon. Bye now.